Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a koala dressed up for an adventure.
For this lesson, we're using our markers to draw and color with. We also use a pencil just for a small little part.
Yeah.
But you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Let's do it.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. First, let's draw our koala's nose. We're going to draw it in the middle of our paper and an upside down letter U. We're going to draw it about here, and we'll go up and down. They kind of have big noses.
Yeah.
We're going to draw the bottom, curving around. And let's draw the eyes next. We draw a circle, and same size circle on the other side. And we can draw our little highlight. So a smaller circle inside on the top left, and then color in the big circle, but leave that little one white. Remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, next, let's draw the mouth. We're gonna draw a really happy smile, and we could also draw open. I'm gonna draw a little letter U underneath, and a tongue inside. And then we can color in the top shape. Next, let's draw the shape of our koala's head. We'll start over here on the top left. We're going to draw a big letter U, and I'm going to stay kind of close to the mouth for the chin. Then we're going to draw the cheek on the other side and come up to hopefully the same spot on both sides. Yeah, that looks really cool.
Thanks.
All right, now let's draw our koala's hat, an Aussie hat. We're going to pin it on one side. In the adventure hat, we're going to draw a curve that connects on the left, and then we're going to come over to the right, but we're not going to go past on the right side. So we're past over here on the left, and that's okay. You went a little past. That's fine. We can go a little past too.
Okay.
There we go. But further on the side. Okay, next, let's draw the hat coming up and down. Then we're going to come across and to a point on the other side. Then we can draw the middle of the hat, or the part that goes up, and we're going to come over and then down a little. And we can also draw a band going across the hat with a little buckle. Okay, now let's draw the ears to make it look more like a koala. We're going to start here, and we'll draw a curve coming out of the hat and start coming down. And we'll try to match that same curve for the top of the ear on the other side. Now you could switch to a pencil, but you don't have to. Or if you're already using a pencil, that works great. But we're going to draw the rest of the ear. You could also just imagine this. You don't have to actually draw it. So we'll continue and just draw a simple shape for the ear with the pencil. Yes, I like that your ears are a little smaller. That's awesome. Okay, next we're gonna add fur to the ears. We'll draw a zigzag coming in and then zigzags going all the way. And you could even mix these up. Some of the zigzags could be big and some can be smaller. I'm going to draw the same zigzags over here on the other side. That way we could keep the shape of the ear and still add the little extra zigzags.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you can switch to the eraser and erase the guideline or the pencil that you can still see. What's our koala missing?
His body.
Yeah, or her body. You can. This could be a girl or a boy. Now we're going to draw the two lines coming down from the chin on both sides for the body. Then we're going to draw the belly right here, a curve. And then we're going to draw the legs and the feet. We'll come down, curve around, and connect to the belly. And then we'll try to draw that same size leg and foot on the other side. It's a cute little body.
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's draw the arms. We'll draw one arm sticking out to the side and another arm sticking out to the side to match. But let's add a backpack and also a vest. We're going to draw the backpack here, the straps. We'll start under the chin or the cheek and then connect to the arm. Then we can draw the vest. We'll draw it coming down and then connect over to the left and the same on the right side. Then let's draw the backpack sticking out on the side. Here we can draw this could be the sleeping bag that's sticking out of the top, or the little mat that you sleep on. And then if you can see a little spot over here, maybe you don't, but we can add the backpack coming down really low. A spot over here and then really low. And if your backpack is lower than the belly, you could also add a line in between the legs. Now let's add pockets to our vest, our adventure vest. I'm going to add one on the left and one on the right. And we could even add more adventure pockets. Your vest needs to have lots of pockets.
For lots of snacks.
Yeah, snacks or collections, rocks and animals that you put in your pockets.
Animals.
And we did it. We finished drawing our koala, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you could pause the video to match our same coloring. Awesome, we did it! We finished coloring our adventure koalas and they turned out awesome. I especially love yours.
Thanks, I like yours too.
And I also really like that they don't look exactly the same. They both turned out awesome, and that's because...
The most important thing is to have fun.
Yeah, and to...
Practice.
Now you guys could pause the video and even add more things to your drawing.
Yeah, like a background.
Yeah, maybe your koala is on a hike.
Yeah.
And you could draw the ground, the little path, and also some trees.
And holding like sticks to help him climb it.
Oh yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a koala.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.